Welcome guys. In this video lesson, I will explain how I made this outstanding finance flyer design. When I say finance flyer, finance covers either loan, company that's still small borrows money, still on that loan, or this agency part or anything that just has to do with money aspect. That's what I'm talking about in this video lesson. This video is going to help you to do all that. It's going to help you achieve all that you want to do. So stick with me to the very end. If you're a subscriber, welcome you once. You're welcome. God bless. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for sticking. This channel has been helpful to you. I know that. Um, let's get straight into the video. As I always say, as usual, first all you need is get the company's logo, company's name, company's catchy topic, what they are known for, the font you're going to use, background, that's layout, typography, that's text. You're going to use elements, all to represent the company. So that's basically what you need. So let's continue. First, you draw your shape. I told you about functional key. You know my first video talked about basics of CorelDRAW, about functional keys. Right, when I said there are F1 to F12. So in this video, I'm using 10 by 10 inch. After that, I just click on enter on your keyboard, go back to your pick tool, then make adjustment to this. Yes, to this area. Now, after doing this, as a beginner or you're using CorelDRAW, make sure you're working with ruler. This is a ruler. Make sure you are working with it. So give your ruler margin, then you take it down. You see, it will not exceed this part that you drew. Nothing exceeds it, except it's among the background. Understand? So that is what you're gonna do. So yeah, start that. I'm using one to my mic and I'm using my other one to just use my laptop without a mouse. Because I'm quite slow, but no worries, you're gonna get everything I show you in this video. I'm gonna do a step-by-step breakdown on how to get this flyer. If you're new to this channel, you're welcome. My name is MK Graphics. Or you want to work with me, or you want to join a master one-on-one class on WhatsApp, I'll leave my number in the description below of this video. Where you can get any elements in this what you're seeing on the screen, you can get it from Pinterest.com. Now you can remove the background, you can remove it inside CorelDRAW, or using Photoshop, or fastest means go online search removebg.com. I got to remove background from any pictures or anything you want to use to design. So let's continue. Firstly, apply color to your background. So I used this let's check the color, dark green. So I used dark green. That's for the main background. You can see that properly. Then next, I'm not going to type already. See, I already have this. I'm just going to bring hold my shift key when I'm here. I just hold Control Z. Let's see. I don't think I can do that with just one hand. But let me see how I can do it. Let's see. Let's see. It's not gonna work. So let me just Control D. That's still hard to duplicate. So I'm just gonna use Control D, then Shift page up. As to bring to the top. So I just use this. Then hidden wealth. I used you can see I grouped this together. Let me ungroup it. That's Control U. I used Agmesi Sound Black 40. See, because I dragged it out where the points that's pits means points. So yeah, I'm just gonna continue. I'll group then duplicate and I'll bring the here shift page up. And this one I used, you can see I used Nessa board, one collateral loans, I used on Steam. And when you are designing, you must know the output you want. You must know the output. The reason I used this you see this yellow here is because of this jack this jack she's wearing. Understand? So you just find a way to that your design will match, will complement each other. Your elements will complement your image and also will complement the background. Understand? So yeah, that's what you need to know. I'm just gonna group all these together because I've written that I've done this in a group, and Control D to duplicate. Just gonna bring that here. Shift speed up. See that? So we've got that correctly. Then this image, I get from Pinterest. Then if you see this something like this, you see, this one is very simple. Let me just show you before I copy this one. Let me take it back. This green, this what you see here was just to give this reflection. You understand? Was just to give the reflection from behind of the gel. Understand? So let me just show you how I did that one. Just do my X lizard circle, hold my control key, and I make adjustment to how I want it. Then let me just use this color. No, change this ones. Let me just use it. I removed the outline. Talked about functional key my first video. So if you know watch that, just go check it out on my channel. So after that, then I come over to transparency tool. Just click on it once. I'm not selecting either uniform or fountain transparency and other kind of vector transparency or either this mode. I'm not doing that. I'm just coming here. Just you see, I just double clicked on it, then I dragged and make my adjustment to it. Double click on it, then still take this one back. Still take it back. You can see, just do it according to how you want. You see, it's already painted. Then I'll just go back to my pick two. You can see that was how I got this shadow, this light kind of light reflect from the hand. So I'm just going to copy this one. I'm just going to group all this. Let me just group all this one. Then I saw this one. I also grouped it to. Let me just group Control D and Control C. Then Control V. I'm just going to power clip it instead of this other one. Then power clip. Oh, I think it's too much. I can't power clip it. Control Z. I can't power clip it. Okay. So I'm just gonna click on F3 to go back. Then let's drag here and see adjustment we can make to that. Come over to objects. Let's see. Oh, it's not working. Okay, let me ungroup. Let me ungroup this one and see something. Contribute to ungroup. And let's see if it's gonna. If we have that app, be good. I think it was too much, but I'm just gonna click this. Yeah, like this. Let's see. Let's group first. Control D. No, 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 no. I'm not doing that. Let's click this. You see, when you're designing, don't be in rush. You understand? So just follow your process. Make sure you understand what you are doing. No rush. Don't pressure yourself. You're either a beginner or CorelDRAW. You find CorelDRAW difficult. CorelDRAW is not difficult. How did I do that? I just double clicked on it. So that was how I opened it. CorelDRAW is not difficult. You are the one that is seeing CorelDRAW to be difficult. CorelDRAW is quite easy and very beginner friendly software to design. Yeah. When you stick to this channel, I promise you're gonna get all that for free. But if you want to join my master one-on-one class, I'll be leaving my number in the description below, or you want me to work for your brand, I'll be leaving my number in the description of this video. So after that, I'm just gonna copy this, group this as well, then power clip, Control Z, Control Shift Z, that's to undo. Yeah, I'm just gonna group this together, Control G, object, power clip, preset of frame, then yeah. So I'm just going to double click. If I want to do that shortcut, let me show you something. I'm just going to right click on it, then come over to edit power clip, then left click to OK it. After that, I'm just going to position this downwards here, downward. Okay, yeah, it's okay. I think it's okay like this. I'm going to finish edit power clip. Yeah. So after that, then finally I'm removing my outline. None. You can see that. So just did a flyer design for a finance company. I just showed you a step-by-step guide on how I made it, which is very, very simple. You can do that as well using the same process. So after you watch this video, if you know your laptop or your laptop is down or your computer, if your computer is on, I strongly advise you just go take your computer, your laptop now. Just go do that now. Go take it and practice this video. Go back to my channel, watch over videos. I don't do too many long videos. Just go over there, watch, learn different, because I'll be dropping more amazing designs like this using CorelDRAW. I'm just breaking it down. That's basically what this channel is all about. Then finally, I'm going to click on F9. That's all to zoom out. You see that here's all we eat today for this lesson. So thanks for taking either my hope, and I'm convinced you really learned how to design finance flyer. So stick to this channel, subscribe if you don't do that, like, share, and comment. If you want to do another tutorial on any other design, please put that in the comment section. I'll be glad to reply you as soon as possible. Thanks and God bless.